Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. This is a rear entry, and you can see with either one of the key fobs I can open the power sliding doors and the power trunk hatch. This is a brand new conversion, manual, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. You can see I can take this to the ground using only my index finger. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate this ramp with ease. 34-inch wide ramp, which is 4 inches wider than the side entries. I like that extra room. It does taper down to 33 inches here at the base. 56 inches of headroom coming inside the van. 58 inches of headroom inside the van. 8 tie-down points, so you can get up to 2 wheelchairs at a time in here, or a gurney or a stretcher. Headliner looks good. Between the second row of seats, there's 21 inches of room. Chair can slide up in between here, or the passenger's legs can. The chair can sit slightly behind it. If you need more room, we can always remove a seat or both. We've got chairs that'll flip up on their sides. So let us know your measurements. There's no one size fits all, but we can help customize this van to meet your needs. The dash looks great. You got your steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. The backup camera, you can sync your phone. Dual climate control, rear air. Real nice center console there. If you ever want to make these doors manual, say you're going to use this for a taxi service, simple as pushing that button I just showed you there. Slide those doors shut and you're good to go. We do give a free set of Q-string, pull tight, tie downs that way with each van. So come back out, put it back up, latch it down, and when the electric doors are on, you can shut it here. I've got a manual now though, so I'm going to put them, give it a good slam. Quick walk around to the van, tinted windows in the rear, alloy wheels. We just put 4 brand new tires on this van. They've got brand new tires, very clean body. It's hard to find a dent or a scratch in this van. I'm not saying it's perfect. I see a little bit of bug gut staining on the front bumper there. That's got 47,000 miles. Was driven a lot, probably a rental vehicle, and a lot of people say stay away from a rental vehicle. Okay, I get that if it's a Mustang or a Camaro. I don't think many people say, honey, hop in the minivan, grab the kids, it's rental, we're gonna hot rod it. I think these are just easily driven across the country, all highway miles. Headliner, rooftop looks good. On the interior, show you the VIN number there. Speaking of that VIN number, we do a free Carfax report with each one of our vehicles. You can see this one shows no accidents or damage, 1 owner, owned in Florida, nice rust salt-free area. You can see it was a rental vehicle. Carfax guarantees no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. No total loss, no structural damage. Airbags have never been deployed. Odometer checks out good. No accidents or damage. The bumper-to-bumper warranty has expired. As far as the powertrain warranty from Chevy, this meets the specs for 60 months, 60,000 miles. Carfax shows it's good for 40 months, or approximately 19,000 more miles. Also, no matter who you buy from, be sure you check out who they are. Make sure they're real. You can look us up on eBay. We have 841 transactions, 0 negative feedback. That means we did 841 deals. All 841 people said we did them right. You can check us out on Google reviews. Review A, that we're here, that we're real. B, see that we have 170 reviews, 4.7 out of 5 stars. See all the great things people are saying about us. Alright, back to the van. Another great feature it has is the auto start. This is great year-round. In the wintertime, of course, it's nice to come out to nice defrosted windows and warm leather seats. But also for the summertime, nice to come out to a nice air-conditioned vehicle. When I go to actually turn the vehicle on, you can see all the dummy lights work. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no ABS lights. You can see the miles are just over 45,000. Power driver's seat right there, works just fine. We've tested all the power mirrors, power windows, power locks. I've got 3 mechanics that work for me. Power mirror over there. We do not just throw these on the lot. We inspect them. We replace things as needed. We put new tires on this one. If it needs attention, we give it. Back windows back there even. Also, you can see it's got the backup camera. That waviness is just through the camera. It's not doing that in real life. That screen is clear. You can operate all the power sliding doors up there as well. Underneath the hood is a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly. I can hardly even hear that engine running. Everything looks good, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks. As I crawl underneath the van, Much of the same, very clean. I don't see any signs of, rust from a flood. I don't see any bent metal from an accident. I don't see anything leaking. And that's the number one mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it's a 2020, they assume because it's only got 45,000 miles on it. They assume because it looks nice in pictures, they assume it runs and drives good. And I tell you what, go look at my competition's website. Go check them out. Look on the underneath. Do they show the undercarriage? Much less have a video of it. A lot of my competition is buying these from New York and Chicago, and they're buying them for a lot less. And they're selling them to you, and you never know the difference. So make sure you see what's going on underneath. Do not assume things. Do not assume it runs and drives good until you see a video. Demand a Carfax. Do your due diligence. Find out who you're buying from. Do those three things no matter who you buy from. And if you don't do those three things, you're asking for major problems. So let's get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the final portion of the video. I like to get the vans on a test drive. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home, we've done our due diligence. We've made sure it's roadworthy. See, the steering wheel is nice and straight. It's not bouncing back and forth. Van runs and drives very clean, very nice. Gets up to 60 miles an hour, good acceleration. Cruise control works. Also, keep in mind, we do not have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. They don't tell you about their hidden fees. They don't tell you about their $500 dock fee. It's in the very fine print at the very bottom of the ad after about 5 paragraphs of reading. We're upfront here and honest. That's why we do these videos. We do free shipping. So, with a lot of these other dealers, by the time you factor in shipping and all their fees, that real nice price is $2,000 or $3,000 or $4,000 more than you're expecting. So don't be fooled by those. Be sure to ask about those. And my question to you is, someone's hiding the real price. If it says $30,000 online, it should be $30,000, not $30,500 after fees, not $31,000. It should be $30,000. And if they're hiding the real price from you, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding mechanical issues? Are they hiding a salvage title? Are they hiding flood damage? I don't know. I just know if someone's not being honest and upfront with me, I do not do business with them, and that's up to you if you want to do business like that with somebody. Also, I forgot to mention, we do recommend an affordable extended warranty with every vehicle. Protect your investment, folks. They go from 90 days all the way up to 8 years and everywhere in between. So talk to me about those. Talk to me about how we can protect your investment. I'm going to give it a hard break here at the bottom of the ramp. And if you do want to give us a phone call, 316-262-VANS. It's 316-262-8267. Nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. So again, all exactly what we're looking for. And hey, if you want to do a text message, if that's easier for you, shoot me a text. 316-518-4377. I'm the owner. You now have my cell phone number. My name is Jeremiah. I want you to call the competition, the big companies like VMI, Braun, United Access, Mobility Works, Freedom Motors, and I want you to ask them, hey, are you committed enough to customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number in case I have a problem? So do you want to be a number, or do you want to be someone that you can actually reach out to the owner if you ever have an issue? So that's for you to decide. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can send one to your email. Or if you're old school and computers aren't your thing, that's okay. Give us a call. We'll take one over the phone. We are happy to help. Check out our entire inventory with free Carfax reports and detailed videos at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even if it's across the country. Call me, talk to me about how that works. We take trade-ins on mobility vehicles and standard vehicles, so let us know how we can help. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.